And now it's time to jump back into Bridge. We're going to check out another feature in Bridge. This is another automation tool that Adobe gives us. Not necessarily a Photoshop tool, but a Bridge tool. So I'm in Adobe Bridge now, and what I want to show you is how we can create contact sheets and photo packages. Just like Photoshop and all the other Adobe products have workspaces, Bridge has workspaces as well. You can't see mine very well. There we go. Move that over, and now you can see that says Essentials there. I'm actually going to switch it to Output. And Output, it's going to take a moment to load there. Oh, actually, it went pretty quick. Depending on the speed of your computer, it might take a moment to load. And what this is going to do, Output, is it's going to give us the ability to actually create like photo packages and contact sheets. It's going to generate PDFs for us that we can then use to speed up our processes. It's going to, kind of be like a picture day, or if I wanted like say 4 of these up on a page to print, it would be easier for me to do this with the Output in Bridge than it would be to actually create a file and copy this photo 3 more times and get it all laid out correctly. So let me just show you how this is going to work. We have some templates up here at the top, and let's just say here I'm going to do exactly what I was saying. I want to put 4 of these onto a page, so I'm going to do 2 by 2 cells here, and there's a lot of different options. We're going to go through some different ones here. I'm going to refresh my preview. Actually, I think I might need to go. Oh, it's thinking. Give it just one moment there. There we go. It's doing what I wanted it to do. Imagine that. Again, it's going to depend on the speed of your computer, how quickly this is going to be. Oh, there we go. Well, it sort of did what I wanted it to do. It's holding on to some defaults from the last time I did this demo. So let me clear some things out here. Let me go into I'm going to change the background color. This is actually good because it's going to give me the opportunity to go through some of these other things. What's happened here is I set the background to black previously, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to go back to white, click OK, and here under the document, this is where we can actually set different sizes. I'm going to set it to, I don't want international paper, I want US paper. I'm going to set it to a letter, 8.5 by 11. So you can see here, because I made a mistake, how we can go through and change things up. I wanted US paper, 8.5 by 11. We'll just pretend that I'm going to be printing on a laser copier for some reason. I've got my background set to white. That's good. Let's go down to layout. The layout, we can actually make custom layouts. Now, I told it to do by 2 by 2, but I can actually change that here as well. And then it says overlays here, and that's not actually what I'm looking at. It's the proof down here, this thing across. That's actually a watermark. That's a good thing. This is going to save us from perhaps if we're giving a customer a bunch of photographs to look at, which is a great use for this. It'll stop them from essentially stealing our work. So let me just get rid of that there. I don't want that. And then I'll refresh that. Oh, there's one more thing I'm looking for. Here we go. This is the option I was looking for. Repeat 1 photo per page, because I want this photo to repeat. So lots of options we're going through here, and I'll go through some different things again and show you again. So refresh my preview, and there we go. Oh, I have file names in there. I could probably, and I do want to get rid of those. That's right here, so my file name and extension, refresh one more time. But you can see how easy it is to create a picture package really quickly. So now I have all those up there. Now I don't have to use the same photo. I can actually do multiple photos. I can choose these 4 photos here. Now refresh again. Now I'd be printing those 4 photos, and I'm going to rotate for best fit. I have a problem there with that one, so rotate for best fit. But you hopefully are getting to see here how this works. This is a really handy tool. Very slick. So there we go. Now I can print photos that, 4 photos very efficiently. without having to worry about having to create a file and actually do this manually. And now on this one, let's just say, for instance, I've shot a wedding and I want to show a lot of photographs to the customer. This would be a fantastic way to do this. It'll actually create multiple page PDFs. If I save this, I'm creating a PDF. I could actually put for proof only, and let's refresh that. And I wouldn't take it to the bank, but that might deter someone from trying to steal your photographs. So that's what that is for there as well. And you can play with that and use different fonts. I actually have it set up for a font that I know is fairly tall, so it'll hit those. But definitely a great tool there. Obviously, this will save you from having to have someone sit over your shoulder instead of giving them the files. You can give them a contact sheet. You can make them smaller. Let's actually do that. Let's show you how to make a contact sheet. Let's go up here. Let's do 4x5 contact sheet, and let's add those two photos in now as well. And we're going to take the watermark is out. There we go. So I'll hit refresh preview. So now you can see how you can create contact sheets. And with the contact sheet, it actually defaulted to putting the file name in. That's a good thing. This would be a good idea for you to do after you've shot a lot of things, and maybe you want to show someone the work, and instead of shooting it, or printing these, show it to them, and then you have to find the file name, just kind of guess going through photographs. If you have the file name on there, that's going to make life a whole lot easier for you. So very cool tool. Do play with these. Check these out. I think they're great production tools. Hopefully you'll get some use out of them.